Hey folks, I did a video earlier on natural gas, and I mentioned in that video that there were a couple of things moving today, including gold and Bitcoin and the dollar yen. And one of my followers asked me what the hell's going on with gold, Bitcoin and the dollar yen. So let's have a look at those quick. So here's gold, and we'll just look at the day charts on these very quickly. We've broken out of the channel top once again. Previous to this, we broke out, fell back inside it, and the channel top and the 20-day moving average became resistance. We've now closed above the 20 period for 3 days in a row. And it looks like we're also going to now close above the channel top again. So generally bullish. Now, the danger on gold is that we've got this all-time high at 24.29 just above us. It's not very far from us now. We're at 23.84. If you're familiar with trading gold, you'll know that double tops and triple tops are pretty common. So I'm going to be very cautious about where this moves. So I've still got a hedge position on gold, and I'm not willing to adjust that until we test this top and see what happens, or if we fail here and move lower. But generally just bullish, and the same goes for Bitcoin. We're long from 60,000 odd on Bitcoin. Here's the day chart. We've now broken out of that descending or falling flag pattern. That's a bullish flag. We've now closed above it many days in a row, and today we're just reaching up to that 50 period moving average on this day chart. This will probably form some resistance. You can see the price often reacts to the 50-day moving average. You can go back as long as you want. The 50 days is the red line, and just look how many times the market reacts to it when it reaches it. Time and time again. It's interesting to scroll back and have a look at this if you've got the time. And the red line, as I said here, is the 50-day simple moving average. So scooting back to where we are right now, we're looking pretty good. However, we are entering into this big resistance and order block sort of area. But more importantly and immediately, we've got this 50-day moving average. We've just touched it right now, fallen back a little bit, but this is definitely a bullish move, and I think Bitcoin is heading higher. I'm aiming for the recent all-time high at about 73,700. And then a move up to about 104,000. I put a chart up on Twitter yesterday illustrating the 104,000 target, and it's essentially a big round number, a penetration through it, and it's also the technical follow through from this flag and flagpole pattern, with the next move up being equal to the height of the flagpole. Right, let's have a look at dollar yen. I put a tweet up on this a little earlier, or a post up on X, and I just illustrated that we're following this path. This red diagram is a fractal from the previous intervention and the move down, and I've discussed that on frequent occasions in my videos. If this goes according to plan, and it has done so far, the next move should take us to the channel bottom and this order block here at around about 145. Notice the dollar index has broken support and heading lower. There's the 200-day moving average. That should hold it up for a bit. That'll be dragging the euro and the pound, etc. up. And you can also see that the 10-year yield has broken support and heading down. I posted this up yesterday on X as well. Have a great trading day. For those of you who are ending your trading day, I'll see you tomorrow. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel and given it a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate that. Take care.